Find product links below and hundreds more videos on my channel.
Okay, so in my last video I had the fan on and I told you I was using the HT-320A microphone, and also the microphone was pointed away from me, so just another quick test with the microphone really close to me facing backwards on the Glidecam, and room's pretty quiet, there's no noise, nothing from outside, no computers on or anything like that, so just to give you an idea of what the microphone sounds like. And this is in its tele mode. Ooh. So it's at its loudest basically, and I'm talking quietly, almost whispering sort of thing, and I've got the volume turned down on the camera as well, the recording volume. Anyways, hope this was useful. More cool stuff on my channel.